All right, well, I've been going to San Diego. Had a little bit of stuff come in the mail. I'm about to show you what it is. You ready? First box. What do we have? Oh, that looks like a washout tub. Screen washout. Not bad. Not bad at all. This is what I ordered. I'm going to screw it in for the backing board. I forgot what you call it, but I'll list everything in there on the washout. So we have that, and I got a surprise for you. You might not like it. Let's open this one. What could it be? What could it be? That, ladies and gentlemen, Poor Man Printing Chinese press. I went Chinese press because I wanted to do two colors, and I can modify just about anything. I hope. Yeah. Very well built. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right. So about to put together the washout, and I got it off of eBay, pretty cheap too. Like I have to look it up, but I'll link everything. And like I said, I'll link everything. And I'm gonna build this, and I'm gonna use this. I don't know what you call it, foam board. I'm not sure. I'll link all this too. This shit here is expensive, for real. But it's cheaper than plexiglass, I can tell you that. So let's put this bad boy together. I better read the directions in Spanish. Oh, here we go. Figure one. Oh, okay. So, this bad boy, that's how that goes. Oh, okay. They're supposed to, the bolts are for you to put in the concrete or something. Well, since this is a rental house, and everything in this house that I built is staying here. Even everything you see, all the shelves I built, like all these shelves in this garage was straight up like $200, I believe. Everything. Like, let me show you. So I built all this. I made that like a little workbench. You know, I don't have much room. I kept my car in here, which is going to be outside for a while. But I built all this. My wife bought that shelf right there. She spent like 80 bucks for one, 80 bucks for two. I mean, that's $160, right? I built all of that, right? This one here. All of this regular OSB board. I built all that, air compressor, TV, whatever you want to watch, you know what I mean, football games. And I built all this OSB 2x4s for like I think with the screws and all, it's probably like 250. So 160, 250. Think about it. And it's not hard. Like straight up, I looked on YouTube how to build stuff. I'm not a carpenter. I looked on YouTube, simplest way to build it, and I built it. I even built this off YouTube. OSB. Now, if I was, this is my house, I'd make it a lot nicer and not use OSB, use regular plywood. But I built that too, to hold my screw guns and everything. You know? Man, you can build anything. I mean, I'm 42. So back in the day, we didn't have a whole lot of ways to look stuff up. You know, somebody had to teach you, or you open a book, which it wasn't a carpentry book. I mean, it could be, but I don't think so. So everything's on YouTube or Google. You can do anything. It's just, you know, something to take in. Let's get back to it. So the legs just, well, they just fit in there like that. Pretty damn simple. These are to level it. I might put them on. Might as well. Just to let y'all know, like, my wife is like, you need to hurry up and build this stuff. I've got orders. I'm like, you made orders? We ain't even made the first t-shirt yet. I'm like, are you crazy? What the hell wrong with her? So we had like a little argument about that. I'm like, it's gonna be a little while. I mean, I've never printed a shirt before. I was like, so I was like, you might as well just do it out of vinyl if it needs to be rushed. Well, time for a quick break. And here's a word from our sponsors. When you want a frosty beverage and a don't tread on me cup, look no further for Captain Morgan's. You'll forget your name. Wonderful. Now it's gonna run the skill saw. That's Turbo. What's up, Big Turbo? What's up, Turbo? And that is Mowgli. To show the people what my wife does. So my wife makes tumbler cups. She actually got mad at me because I didn't tell everybody that in the first intro video. I was like, it's an intro video. This is a really cool one she's making right now. This is a Jack Daniels cup. Nope, Tennessee whiskey. Yep, Jack Daniels. I'm retarded. Let's see if I can get a good picture. There we go. So she made it like a barrel. I don't even know how the hell she did that, but that's pretty damn cool. This is a baseball cup tumbler for my buddy Joe and his son Keegan. She does pretty good. I built all this stuff, and let me tell you, it was not easy trying to figure out how to do this, and them bastards turn 24/7. So yeah, I know what to do now. I probably need to build her some more, but I just ain't done it yet. Pretty simple though. It's, you know, I got a better way to build it now. So like that one just started jumping, but I know how to build them a lot better. So I just used a pipe clamp and some Oh, what we got here? White lithium grease, and it works great. Put a little switch on there with the, the old Dremel. I'm not that good at routing out wood. I think this costs like $100. I'm not sure. But she is working the hell out of them. Let's get back. Let's get back to it. I'm not even gonna tighten these up until I get it on the ground. That's that. Okay, that's done. We're gonna add our sides to it. And you should be able to open it up. There we go. Check it out. All right, all right. You know what? Let's do this. That's a little better. Gotta make sure she works. Flip to the next. Oh man, this is working out great. I'm talking great. So I bought clear foam board or whatever you call it for one reason. So I can put a yellow light. I guess yellow. Guess it don't really matter what light it is. So I can put a light on the back side. It was cheaper to buy 4 clear than it was to buy 2 black and 1 clear. So I'm like, all clear. I mean, hell, if I want a black, I just paint the bathroom. I believe I can screw this together and then roll it. I don't know. I think I'm just doing it like this and put tape on it. And I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but this is the way I'm doing it, so whatever. Wow, break the leg this thing out. All right. Stay. Is it gonna roll around? Oh. For right now, use some tape. Why not? Poor man printing. Duct tape will hold anything. There you go. There we go. Got it done. Let me show you. Poor man printing right there. It's got to add a hose on the bottom. And I'm going to caulk all this. Regular bathroom caulk's all you need. But that'll wash out some screens right there. Because I got a feeling my first time printing, I'll be washing a lot out. How about that? All right. So guys, that's it for the night. I'm done. Got my table done for my Chinese press I got going on over here. And yes, I know I'm gonna catch hell, but if it can print 2 colors out for the price that I paid for it, I'm good. And I still might build a one. I still got the stuff to build a one print press, everything ready to go. So there's the press table, and this is gonna be my light table. I haven't decided if I want to box it in, maybe go with blue lights, or just put an arm on the back side and put a regular 500 watt or whatever. I already got the light picked out though. I just hadn't bought it yet. I still haven't figured it out. But yeah, until next time.